leaking, but it is clogged. I wonder if the pipe in here is cracked or something. Sounds like it's draining into the crawl space. This freaking thing's draining into the crawl space. I can hear it, dude. Let's check it out. Look at this plumbing, dude. What the heck is going on over here? Look at this nonsense. I guess it's leaking in the wall. I don't know. It's leaking. See it? Gotta keep going. Looks like it's, I got the water running. Looks like it's dripping from right there. It's just going down. Look at that. All right. So basically, we're gonna have to replace all this. As simple as that. You got the 45 going into the kitchen, and this is, we gotta rip all this out. I'm gonna see if I can cut this sucker out. I know, dude. It sucks. Yeah, I am gonna have to bust it out a little more. Here, let me move my shit. Alright. Yeah, I'll be able to get a coupling on there, right? There you go. No hub band on that one. And then, oh yeah, I guess we'll have to cut it here. Yeah. Got the combi out. And the pipe. I guess they didn't strap the pipe because it ain't in there now. Where? I can't see it, bro.
At all.
Where did it go? That thing, the pipe goes from right here, goes all the way down. I mean, where the hell did it go?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, you see it? All right. You got more leaks. Whoever installed this must have just glued the fitting. Seriously, because I never see ABS leak at the fittings unless it's cracked. Oh, it is cracked. Okay, all right. Yeah, there's a crack right there. I'll be real. I'll be real with you. ABS is kind of trash. I might actually start using exclusively PVC because it really is kind of junky. But, alright, so that's something we're going to have to fix as well. What is going on here? Look at this plumbing, dude. Look at this. What the heck is that? Is that a vent? Look at this stuff. Looks like a freaking roller coaster up down here. Man. All right. How does that drain? Look at that. Look, it starts up high down there, and then it roller coasters over, goes uphill, and then back down. You know what's crazy is the tenants have never said anything about drainage issues on that. This is a duplex. That's the other side. And I can tell you right now, those tenants don't hesitate to complain at any little thing. Look at that, man. Good Lord. Whoa, I just saw another leak. Oh, we got some copper leaks under here too, Los. Damn.
Huh?
We got some copper leaks under here too.
Really?
Yeah. Right there. They have one of the clamps that Craig would always use. It's leaking. Now I know why the plumbing's so bad. A heroin addict did it. For sure. I mean, good Lord, look at this nonsense. This is really bad. Look, we got another loop-de-loop. It goes downhill and then uphill. Look at that. There you go. Had to use a no-hub band there because we couldn't get this sucker in. This has no play. So instead of cutting these, we just put a no-hub band. Got to clean out, and then Los is about to do the stucco.
Yes, sir.
Let's test it real quick, make sure it knows there isn't any leaks. I also have to change this disposal. It's freaking busted. I can get it to turn, but it's still jammed, so it's just old. It's not backing up anymore though. See any leaks?
Nope.
Beautiful. Beautiful. See leaks. Oh yeah. I got these for $99 at Repipe on San Fernando. All right. That's that, folks. It's almost done. Hell yeah.
I have to come back, Riley.
Looks good.
I'm going to